Oh, poor guy.
Hey. This is a little princess right here.
Hi.
Hi.
No, you look right.
You gotta look right up there in the camera. And you say, hi guys. Say hi guys. Harry, you gotta look up there at the light. Say hi guys.
Hi.
Hey, welcome to my channel. Can you say welcome to my channel?
I can't.
Yes, you can.
Yes,
Say
you can
welcome.
say welcome to my channel.
No.
Yeah. What's going on, guys? Welcome to our channel.
So if you guys are wondering why the name changed, it's because I am going to incorporate vlogging, challenges, pranks, and my family. So I don't want it to be makeup related, but there will still be makeup.
With that being said, I think I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't tell them that we're planning on doing a giveaway. Now the giveaway will consist of
A Jaclyn Hill palette.
the Jaclyn Hill palette, brand new. Anyways, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and welcome to the family.
Today we thought we can do a little fun challenge. That challenge is called the Babyfood challenge.
We have no idea what each other bought. You know, she got her own 5 baby foods for me. I got my own 5 for her. And I will be feeding her and she will be feeding me. So without further ado, I think we should go ahead and pull out our bags.
Okay, wait. We need to do a rock, paper, scissors
To see who's going to start.
to see who's gonna go first.
Bet. Okay, hold on. Ready?
Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You cheated.
I don't want to go first. Again.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ah, man. Okay, so let me pull out my device. Don't look. Turn around.
I got 5, right?
Don't look. Don't look.
I got 5, right?
Yeah.
I should get 5. I should got 5. Oh, gosh. You can see. One of them is pointing down.
Just a little bit. No, I can't. Oh, my God. So I am... I'm ready to do this.
Okay.
Now the point of the game, just so you guys know, is to see who can get the most right. And you want to make a bet on this?
A bet?
Yeah.
What kind of bet you trying to go for?
Like if I win, you need to wear my clothes at the mall for a whole day. Like the baggiest clothes I got. And if you win, I get my ears pierced.
Okay.
Deal?
Deal. You almost hit your daughter in the face.
Oh, okay, but I can't see. All right.
Okay, are you ready?
Yep.
Wait, I gotta give it a good
Hold on, where's the
spin.
camera? Hold on.
Okay, I'm only doing like a little.
Okay.
I'm not doing like a whole spoonful.
That doesn't mean I have to do it.
No, for sure.
No.
That's so mean.
I don't play fair. Let's go.
Ew, why you gotta make that noise?
That's not bad. That's banana, an apple, banana.
Do you need another
blueberry,
spoonful?
raspberry?
Do you
No,
need okay.
no, just banana. I don't want any more.
Okay.
What was it though?
Banana and strawberry.
Screw it. Let's go. Just do it, okay?
That's what I'm saying. We need water.
Let me get some more.
Really?
I didn't get enough.
Oh my god. Okay. I think you did.
Let me get some more.
Are you sure?
But don't get it in my hair.
Come on. Kyrie said, "Don't get it in my hair."
And
I got it.
is it?
It's this turkey.
How do you know? Okay, 1 point for Daniel.
What the? It's disgusting.
Okay, number 3.
Hold on.
Okay, you ready? Ooh, that was a good one.
Oh yeah.
Daddy.
I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry. You wanna try it?
No.
You ate this when you were a baby.
When you were a little baby, we used
You
to
wanna
feed
try
you
it?
all the good
Okay.
ones. The turkey and the everything.
Okay, open up.
That's good too.
Really?
Yeah, what was that? Apple and...
Guess what it is?
Apple.
No, wrong.
Another banana?
And?
Banana and... I don't know, banana and something else. Blueberry.
No.
Raspberry.
You want another?
No, that's enough.
Okay. Okay, next one.
Was that the fourth one?
Dang, I didn't realize I got a little theme going on.
Is that the fourth one?
No, that was the third one.
What do you mean theme? That's banana too.
Okay.
Wow, you gave it away.
One...
3 points. Win. Banana.
Okay, next one. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
This one.
What the hell was that? Ain't no damn banana.
I can't take you seriously right now.
Oh, is it banana?
No.
Did it have spinach?
No.
Spinach?
No.
Not spinach?
No spinach.
Give me more.
Give you more.
No, I'm not losing. I'm not getting no damn earrings. Green beans.
No.
It's green. Something green.
Try to guess. No more?
No more.
You want to know?
Yeah.
I want to get down.
Okay, you want to get down, Mama? Hold on.
Okay, say bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Say please subscribe.
See subscribe.
Oh, mommy, you are the
I love you,
cutest.
Mama.
I love you.
All right. I
Love you.
Go. Oh, sorry. I can't see.
Okay, this does not look like what it is. Why is it?
Yes or no?
Open your mouth. What did you do?
You're trying to choke me.
No.
Trying to kill me.
No, I said open your mouth. I didn't tell you to deep throat the freaking spoon.
That's banana.
Yes, that is banana.
Hey.
So you got 3 out of 5.
That's a
Damn,
winner.
that's
a winner.
hard.
That's a winner. You're not gonna get mine. There you. That's how it looks.
I feel like
What?
I kind of look like Bad Bunny.
All right, it's my turn, guys, and I got a treat for you.
Oh, sweet baby Jesus.
It smells bad, but it's not bad.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it's good. You're good, baby. You're good.
Oh.
You're good. You got this, okay?
Oh man.
Just a tiny bit on this one. Come on. Ah, come on. Ah. Oh, time out. What's my phone? What you mean, ew? This is not bad.
I feel like it's pear. Apple? Apples. It has to be, it has to be apples.
Yeah, this is bad.
Apples.
Just
Is
try
it
this.
bad?
No, it's not apples.
It's grainy.
It's not.
What was it? What was it?
It was pear and raspberries.
Raspberries.
See, it wasn't bad.
Oh, now I taste the raspberries. Okay.
It's bad.
Yeah.
Okay, I bet you can't guess this one right
Oh
here.
my god, is it icky one?
No, this is good too.
You're gonna tell me they're all good. No, you gotta mix it up. Don't give me all the good ones and leave me the bad ones for last.
I'm not. This is a good one. Come on.
Oh my god.
Yum yum.
What a-
Yummy
what a-
yummy in your tummy. Open your mouth. Oh my god, yeah. Come on. Not bad. Come on. You want some more?
Oh no. Oh yeah, I guess. Okay, try again. Ew, it's like tart.
What is it?
Blueberries? Apples and blueberries.
Apples and blueberries, guys. 1.5. We still got 3 more.
Ah! Oh yeah.
No, what? You have 1.5 points.
Damn, I'm never gonna win.
You might have had, I had 3?
Okay.
Oh my god, that's thick.
Oh, don't give me a lot.
Open your mouth.
Ew. Ooh. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Yes.
It's chicken.
Is there something I could clean it up with?
What is it?
It was chicken. You had the point. 2.5
Oh,
points.
I need water. No joke.
No.
Give me some more of the apples and blueberries.
No.
Wait,
This
hold
was-
on. I gotta It's out of my stomach.
Baby, come on. This one's easy. Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
No.
Do it for the fun. That's easy.
Oh, sweet potatoes.
Nope.
What?
Nope.
Ew.
Oh man, baby, you're gonna get this. If you get this wrong, I win because you're not gonna get the next one.
Squash?
Nope.
It has to be sweet potatoes.
No. You want me to tell you what it was? It was carrots.
Carrots. What the hell? That does not taste like carrots.
That's what I said. It didn't taste like carrots. It actually tastes like sweet potato. I don't know if you're gonna be able to guess this one.
Oh my god.
And I'm starting to think that you're going to look like a cholo at the mall. Because this one is going to be pretty hard.
Is it nasty? Don't give me a lot. Oy, knuckle.
You hear that?
It was like,
Yeah.
oh my god. Don't give me a lot, please. Does it smell good?
Yeah. Sounds like heaven. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. What's a little bit? Yummy, yummy. In your tummy.
Oh, that's turkey.
Nope.
That's chicken?
Nope.
Is that ham?
Nope.
Beef.
Yep.
Oh, wow. Ew. My eyes are watering. That was disgusting.
Yeah, that was pretty bad.
I gave you like 3 good ones and 2 bad ones. You gave me like 4 bad ones.
What are you talking about? Beef? Chicken? Those are the bad ones, but then carrots wasn't bad. Carrots was bad, I'm not gonna lie.
So that is the end of this video. If you guys do like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, Lucky Finn. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know when we upload a new video. And to enter the giveaway, again, you have to be subscribed to this channel and you also have to comment down below of why you think you should win this giveaway.
Where is it though?
Oh, here, I got it.
There it is. Brand new Jacqueline Hill palette. So, oh, that's nice in the back. So this is what we're gonna be giving away. So in order for you to participate, you have to be subscribed to the channel.
There's only 2 rules.
You have to be subscribed to the channel, and you have to write in the comments below why you should be the winner of the Jacqueline Hill palette.
And we're not giving this palette away until we reach 100 subscribers. So that means you have to share this video, get your families, get your friends, get your cousins to subscribe to this channel.
If not, I'll keep it for myself and I'll do makeup tutorials in my own channel.
For sure. So that is all for this baby food challenge. I cannot wait to see him get his ears pierced. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you know when we upload a new video. And we will see you guys on the next one. Bye!